Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to repot, how to replanting, how to planting Vanda orchid, Vanda hybrid, Vanda species. So you can cut the plant and you can cut the old flower bud, the dry one, and you remove all the dead skin. You remove all the dead skin. Slowly remove. And I will show you today 3 ways to grow Vanda. Yeah, you can see, you cut one, you don't throw it, you just keep one side. You must keep in the shady place so the next baby will come out beside of the plants. So now I'm going to show you how to plant with the sawdust. You can see the way I put back the roots inside the pot. So now this is the sawdust, you can see. Yeah, if possible you try to make wet the sawdust, then you plants. You put the plant center of the pot. You hold the plant, then you press harder when you put the sawdust. Don't make it empty inside, just harder, press harder, make it full. And while you plant with the sawdust, you need to water twice a week. Enough already. You don't need to water every day. If you plant with the sawdust, yeah, done, ready. The planted is already planted, so now it's ready. So Vanda replanting with the sawdust. I hope you can try at your home. Now this is a Vanda also, so I will cut the plant. I keep 2-3 roots because I don't throw the plants, because I will keep it. The next baby will come out from the beside of the plants. Okay, you see, the next baby will come next to the root. Okay, so now I remove also the same way. I remove all the dead skin, all the dry skin. So now I'm going to show you how to plant with the stone charcoal. Okay, now you get the wires, make it like this, then put into the pot. Then this is the stone. Yeah, it's the stone. Then now you put all the stone inside the pot. Make the wire must be stable, because I will tie the plant with this wire. Look at the plants. Just follow the way I tie the plants. You can try at your home also. I tie with the cable ties. You can tie with anything. You just all the root you just put into the pot, and you must tie below one and on top one. You must need to tie 2 ties the plants with the wires. Okay, so now it's almost done. So now I will add some charcoal on top. Now you can see the charcoal. Actually, charcoal is the best way to grow orchids. And if you want to grow orchids with the charcoal, then if too hot weather, then you need to water every day. But if not so hot, just like weather is cloudy, then you can water every alternate day. And now it's almost done. It's done. After you plant, you just put some water on top of the plants, and just make the weight of the material, charcoal, stone, the plants, it will be grow nicer. So now I am going to show you how to hang Vanda. No any media, there is no media, no charcoal, no stone, no sawdust. So actually orchid is the best way to grow with the charcoal, then sawdust, then hanging. Hanging is easy to grow with the hanging, but only one thing, only you must water twice a day, morning and afternoon or evening. Actually evening is the better, so twice a day. If you want to hang your Vanda with the wire only, you can hang with anything. You can hang with the wood also. You can, these plants you can tie with the wood, you can tie with the pakis, any materials you can tie, you can hang. So I take in the wires, I make it bend, then I hook up with the roots so it's on fall down. So I tie with the cable tie. Look at that. Oh sorry, I couldn't get into the camera. So I tie the plants with the wire, with the cable tie. So on top also one more. It's done. So now its plant is ready to hang. So if you hang the plants, you must water twice a day, morning, afternoon or evening. Oh, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. See you again.